Welcome to Precious DIY Products. Today we'll be going through the installation practice of our gable details. There's two alternatives. We call this an inverted CV-A for arch. Also there's an inverted ITV and CV. Some of the tools that you're going to need for today's install is a tape measure, a pencil, the adhesive. We're using 2 screw guns. You need a number 6 and a number 8 Robertson head, and a skill saw and a level. With the packaging, it does come with the fasteners to assemble the product. Now we're going to ask you to refer to your installation instructions. On this, we'll walk you through the layout of the assembly of the product. On both sides is going to walk you through the full installation. Take a look and review this so that you can do this installation efficiently. We're ready to now assemble our gable detail. So we've pre-assembled some of the gable. So we have the stretcher, we have a V, and we have the vertical post and an installation stem. Let me turn this around. So for the ease of assembly, it's already been pre-assembled to the order in the C configuration, which is called a cross, and the screws would go in. The provided fasteners for the installation stem, we've already backed them out so that this can be installed at the top of the building. So at this point, we're going to use the PVC adhesive and apply that onto the faces that are going to be connected to the side of the post. This will make a permanent bond, and actually the screws are just the temporary enforcement. Now, to have this held up into the center, the easiest way is to take the accessory, use that to hold it up, and go ahead and start the screw. So simply drive the screw in until it's brought up to a firm connection, and let's bring the other one in. So it's going to line up to the hole that was already started. And now there's 2 more screws that we're going to install. In most cases, this has been designed and ordered so that the pitch is already been cut so that this will rest up into the underside of the structure. So if we simply mark it right now at the top that we provided for an easy install, both front and back, so we can just check for a reference point, and then we'll be able to trim any of the other tails that are going on the back side of the gable detail. All right, so let's take this up and trial fit it to make sure if we have to do any adjustments. You can simply hang it over the front. We're just eyeing it up. I see that I have to make one cut here because it's hitting the structure in behind. Okay, so we've made this step a lot easier by providing the installation stem. So I like to start the screw on the back side of the installation stem. We've made this a little bit easier because you don't have to hold the whole gable detail in position. Gonna match up our mark that we had predetermined. And then we're going to level up the post. Simply slide across, marry that up, and slide it up until it's in its full connection. And insert the 2 back screws. So we can simply insert them now. Okay, so you can check the vertical stance of the gable to make sure it's vertical. Now we're going to put 2 screws. You can do it from the front because this would have to be finished in aluminum fascia at this point. That completes the installation of our Prestige gable. We appreciate your business at Prestige DIY Products. For any other information, please see our website at www.prestigediy.com.